turning here into power. Ask questions about change. Integrate energy saving with innovation. Navigate for the industry. KAPA here. Jiangxi KAPA here Technology Company Limited, whose head office, Shenzhen Comps Energy Saving Technology Company Limited, was established in 2006, together with Guangdong Taikasasi Electromechanical Equipment Company Limited, is the leading provider of energy-saving technology solutions for air compressor and manufacturer, integrating R&D and production in China. For specializing in the design and operation of air compressor system, energy saving of raw energy management solutions. For benchmarking the world's first-class level, become one of the companies with the most complete compressor product lines in China. KAPA here has inherited the scientific rigor of comps and has shown its breadth and openness in its development. Hardware advantage, indestructible. KAPA here has built its own 30,000 square meter production workshop and 2,600 square meter R&D workshop. There are 7 self-built warehouses nationwide. The annual output of air compressors can reach 30,000 units, and the production capacity of domestic units ranks among the best. First-class research and development, enduring prosperity. The R&D team of KAPA here has the top 3 levels in the domestic industry. The number of technical personnel ranks among the top 5 in the country, and has mastered 60 complete patent protections and multiple authoritative certifications under the leadership of founder Mr. Yang Shilin and many doctoral experts. The company's products have gone through 3 iterations, and now it can provide a total of 54 products in 3 series. Customer first, integrity to the future. KAPA here continuously optimizes and innovates its business model to meet the diverse needs of its customers. There are 14 business teams, 7 branch offices, 562 agents, and more than 4,000 after-sales service workers on the online platform. We provide a 24-hour door-to-door service and can realize remote intelligence and automation of products, and realize the interconnection of products before and after sales. Quality is the foundation. Innovation is the soul. KAPA product are now in a comprehensive layout of high, medium, and low 3-grade product lines, widely used in the production and manufacturing processes of various industries. Covering the world, it is sold overseas, including North America, Europe, Southeast Asia, and nearly 60 countries and regions. Overseas main business, product development and customization, ODM, overseas brand, OEM, independent brand agency. Since its establishment, the company has its own energy efficient laboratory, which has passed the China Energy Efficiency Inspection and Certification, in compliance with multinational product safety certifications and multiple product quality certifications.
空压机行业经历了3个阶段，如今已经进入了一个磁悬浮和空气悬浮空压机的一个历史阶段。磁悬浮空压机它具备3个特征：2高、1低、3省。2高所指的是整机运行的高稳定性、空气洁净度高稳定性；1低所指全生命周期运营成本和投入成本低；3省所指让用户省心、省钱、省空间。
Pursuing because of the dream in mind. Traveling far, always looking ahead. KAPA here firmly believes in customer first, talent-oriented, contribution-oriented, and user-oriented. Hold energy-saving palm, sun and moon. Visionary industry change. New era, persistence in innovation. To the future, sustainable glory.